Am I excited to show this to you today? This is a wood holder of a wood stand. So what this is going to do is hold all of our firewood for our wood burning stove. Even if you have a fireplace, also a great storage option. Comes in a really compact box. With this one is the medium size, so it is 12 different panels. And you put them all together here with these nuts, wing nuts and bolts. Took all of about, 20 minutes to put it together. Super easy instructions and holds a lot of wood. I mean, this is massive. So let me get some wood in here and show you how it looks. All right, it just got started here, but I wanted to give you a close-up look here. Just easily storing some firewood there. But here is the actual close-up. And then these are all the nuts and bolts that you put in. Got a beautiful green color here. This comes in green and black and also comes in 3 different sizes. And again, this is the medium. It's just over 4 feet tall. I cannot wait to get it filled, but I got work to do. Great product.